Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new guys, if you have not yet subscribed, I would encourage you to please do so. If you're already here guys, thank you so much for your support. Today I'm back with another good one for you guys, and we will be doing Crispy Sesame Chicken Tenders. The ingredients for this recipe will be in the description box along with the measurements. This is an absolute crowd pleaser. Your kids, your family, your friends will be begging you to make this every day, I promise. All right, so to get started, I will be adding some buttermilk to a large bowl, some Louisiana hot sauce, guys. That is really not hot, it is just tangy for me. 1 egg, some sesame sauce, and these ingredients will also be in the description box. I'll pour all that in here. Guys, this is so much flavor packed into this right here, and some mustard, and that I'm using yellow mustard. We will whisk everything up nice, make sure everything is combined just like that. Again guys, you can also hit the notification bell so you know when I drop my next video. So here we will put our tenders in, and I'm using about 3 pounds of chicken tenders. These guys is already washed. Make sure everything is submerged in the batter, and do not forget to hit the notification bell so you'll know when I drop another video. Okay, looks good. We will set this aside for about 20 to 30 minutes. And our next step is for us to prepare the flour. So I have some flour here, and this is all-purpose flour. I have some dry seasoning, some herbs, and some cornstarch. So I'm adding the cornstarch to the flour. Make sure to whisk this in, make sure it is combined with the flour. Now I'll add the rest of my seasoning in the flour, and this will also be in the description box, guys. Now we are not adding salt to the mixture. So now it's time for us to flour our tenders. So remove it from the batter, shake off any excess, and then we'll place it in that beautiful seasoned flour. Make sure to coat it well. You want to get a really good crunch. Make sure everything, all the crease and crevices is floured. Okay, we'll let that sit. We'll do that for the rest of our tenders. That batter really looks good, and trust me, it tastes amazing. Right after we would have floured our tenders, we let that sit for about 20 to 30 minutes. And now it's time for us to fry. Make sure our oil is about 340, but you can regulate this, it depends on your stove. And we will add our tenders in the oil. We're looking for that golden crunchy exterior and that juicy succulent center. Look at that, guys. It's about time. After about 5 to 6 minutes, I remove my tenders. Look at the crunch on this bad boy. And this actually goes well by itself with salad, any kind of food you want to pair it with, you can. I just dressed this with some sesame sauce and sprinkle on some seeds, and my son and I had a feast. So guys, if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, like, and share. Thank you for spending the time with me today. Enjoy. Bye-bye.